Aqua Queen of the Universe 2026 tuluyan ang kinoronahan sa dagat ng Mabini, Batangas. Matapos ang matagal na pagpili, tuluyan ng kinoronahan ang winners ng Aqua Queen of the Universe 2026. Naganap ang underwater coronation sa karagatan ng Mabini, Batangas. Ito na ang ikalimang underwater coronation ng Aqua Queen of the Universe sa pamumuno ni Erin Noche, Patricia Javier at Marjorie Renner. Ayon kay Erin, ang full support ng Mayor ng Mabini, Batangas na si Mayor Noel Beatrix Luistro ang dahilan kung kaya't nagdesisyon siyang dito gawin ang coronation.
Dapat talaga, ang plano ko talaga is City Hall. Okay? Kaya nung January nag-City Hall plano ko talaga gawin siya sa City Hall. Kaya lang, since na malapit tayo sa mayor ng Mabini, may ginawa kaming project and support naman siya sa atin, sa Aqua Queen, na yung pag-launch nila ng first artificial lake, idea ng Nova Queen ng Aqua Queen, na-appreciate nila tayo. So, in return, kailangan natin siya dito gawin para makatulong sa tourism ng Mabini.
Bukod sa suportado ng local government unit na nasabing underwater pageant, nakaka-inlove din umano ang karagatan dito.
Napakaganda. At saka, alam mo, kasi nakakita ko sa malamig. Ang sarap talaga dito sa Mabini. Kasi first time tubig. Yung nag-passage show. Gusto ko dito. Tsaka maganda dito. Di na lakad ulan. Yeah. Pwede ka na mag-dive. Di na maganda. Hindi na
Kaugnay nito, tinangan na Aqua Queen of the Universe si Ana Carissa de Leon ng Siquijor. Ayon kay Carissa, hindi niya akalain na siya ang mananalo sa nasabing underwater competition.
All the girls here are amazing, so really happy to all have crowns.
Sinay pa ni Carissa na ang kanyang advocacy ang posibleng dahilan kung kaya't nakuha niya ang crown.
It's because of my advocacy and the stuff that we're doing in Singapore. I just really want to amplify the message that we have on regenerative tourism and hopefully inspire other islands to do the same.
Anya, regenerative tourism ang kanyang advocacy.
Most of the fishermen right now, we're able to give them jobs in marine conservation. So a lot of them are trained guides. So my partner and I, we were able to train 35 marine sanctuary guides in the Motionals curriculum. So we're trying to replace extractive careers from overfishing or unhealthy fishing, for example, and give them careers protecting the ocean as well, and also protecting the sanctuaries. So we have 22 NPAs in Siquijor. So right now we're affiliated with 7, and we're trying to make it an eco-tourism circuit. So when people come, they can purchase a ticket to all of the sanctuaries. And then with that, we're able to give them careers in protecting the ocean. The ocean gets protected, everyone has money, and are able to support themselves.
Ipinagkaloob naman ng Aqua Queen of the Ocean 2026 sa lawyer na si Maria Angelica Valenzuela. Ayon kay Angelica, hindi siya makapaniwala na makakasama siya bilang isang Aqua Queen.
Being crowned as the Aqua Queen of the Ocean 2026 is such an incredible honor. And at the same time, it fills me with so much pride and a sense of responsibility. Moving forward, I am so excited to work with the Aqua Queen organization, combining my passion for the law and my newfound passion for the law of life, land, air, and water.
Sinundan ito ng mom of 2 mula sa Bohol na si Denia Ramirez na tinangan na Aqua Queen of Pearl 2026. Ayon kay Denia, gusto niya maging inspirasyon sa mga hindi marunong lumangoy.
I really wanted to inspire non-swimmers like me to have courage to face their fear, because I am a non-swimmer and I have trauma when it comes to ocean for over 15 years because I used to live in Mandaluyong, and I still remember passing by the Pasig River, and then it actually traumatized me when I was a kid because the boat itself almost fell from that situation. I just remember it was 9 years. I was 9 years old back that time, and then I still remember I didn't had any boat experience after that, aside from me doing the free diving stuff with island hopping.
Ayon pa kay Denia, hindi lamang ang takot sa dagat ang nawala sa kanya, kundi naibalik din ang kanyang confidence.
It taught me how to be confident as well, because I am a mom of two. So when it comes to confidence, I did actually lost that part when I had my two kids. So I'm not really comfortable wearing swimsuits with any other people around me aside my family. So right now, I was inspired with Geneva, wearing two-piece, showing my stretch marks and all. So it really did help me not just to face my fear, but to have courage, to be confident and all.
Ako Queen of the Universe Ambassador of the Ocean 2026 naman, si Gladys Documento ng Mualboal, Cebu. Ayon kay Gladys, hindi siya makapaniwala na mapapasali siya sa isang pageant, pero dahil sa pagmamahal niya sa dagat kung kaya't sinubukan niya.
It's very surreal. This is something that is not normal to me. Pageantry has always been something that I'm only a spectator. And now, being here, being allowed a platform to actually represent my love for the ocean, the advocacies that I firmly believe in, and in a very empowering platform, it's really such an honor.
Kaya naman sobra umano siya nagpapasalamat sa organization.
To the Aqua Queen family, thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. It really is truly empowering. It gathers all the right people together, and it strengthens our belief na we are not working alone. Because sometimes it really feels that it's just only a few of us that care, and it might make us lose hope. And being here with all these beautiful, empowered women make me believe more that we can really make a difference.
Tinangalamang Aqua Princess of the Ocean 2026 si Celine May Tanasas ng Bohol. Ayon kay Celine, sobrang nakaka-proud na mapabilang bilang isa sa mga Aqua Queens.
It is new, of course, because this is the very first underwater pageant, and it felt like I saw a group of people with a shared love for the ocean, as well as the unique crowning ceremony underwater. So it felt so very nice, and felt so proud to be the one being crowned underwater.
Aqua Princess of the Waves 2026 naman ang 19 years old na si Luis Sunrise Calianta. Ayon kay Luis, sobra siyang na-excite kasi hindi niya inaasahan na sa ilalim ng dagat makakakuha ng corona.
Hindi mo mapailawanag yung nararamdaman mo kasi sino magka-crown sa ilalim ng dagat, di ba? Na parang, dapat diba ano lang siya, pero super excited, super saya lang, kalmado lang po kaming lahat, and super good ng experience namin.
Ipinagkaloob naman sa 51 years old na si Sinclair Castro ang Aqua Queen of the Universe Ambassador 2026. Ayon kay Sinclair, hindi niya akalain na sa kanyang edad ay magiging Aqua Queen na rin siya.
Until now, na-overwhelmed pa rin ako sa lahat ng nangyari sa ating kahapon. So much fun, and I cannot really imagine na I have these feelings na makasama ko at maging part na ako ng Aqua Queen na dati ko nang pinapanood, na na-inspire ako sa lahat ng nakikita ko, and now I'm part of it.
Sinay pa ni Sinclair na noong una ay medyo nawiwerduan siya dahil sa ilalim ng dagat ginaganap ang coronation.
Lahat talaga ng tao, no? This is the first time that we will know na may beauty queen sa ilalim ng dagat. And this is something new, and syempre na-amaze din ako sa mga advocacy na sinusulong talaga ng Aqua Queen, and that is one thing na nagustuhan ko.
Samantala, dahil sa full support na ibinigay ng LGU ng Mabini, Batangas, hindi naman nakalimutan ng Aqua Queen Organization na pasalamatan ito.
Maraming salamat po sa support na binigay niyo sa amin. Yung Bantay Dagat, na nandito sila na binabantayan kami. Pangalawa, yung mga bangka pong nakahintay dito sa amin, whatever happened po doon sa event namin kanina. Maraming salamat po sa pagkakataon na binigay niyo sa amin na gawin namin dito ang aming 5th edition. And kami naman po nandito para tumulong po sa pagpupromote ng tourism ng Mabini.
At iyan aking balita. Ako si Attorney and you are watching The News Watch.